arriving in a comfortable position, take a nice big deep breath. Feel your body expand, and as you slowly blow out through your mouth, like you're blowing through a straw, allow your eyes to gently close. Follow the breath to the very end, and then pause, and then gently breathe back in through your nose, feeling your body expand. Pause, and then slowly blow out through your mouth, relaxing your face and jaw. Follow that breath all the way to the very end. And pause. And one more time, breathing in through your nose, feeling your body expand. Pause. And then slowly release, blowing out through your mouth, relaxing your neck, your shoulders, all the way down your body, down your legs to your feet. And then pause at the end of the breath. And then continue just breathing in through your nose and out through your nose or mouth, gently and softly, down to the belly, as this calms down your nervous system to help you feel relaxed and to help you feel safe. I'd like you just to become aware of being aware, like an element of self-consciousness, an energy that's just simply observing whatever comes and goes within your awareness. Whether it's a thought, whether it's a feeling, or whether it's a sound. Just for the next few minutes, simply label whatever you notice your attention being drawn to within your awareness. So if you notice a thought, silently say to yourself, that's a thought. If you notice a feeling, that's a feeling. And if your attention is drawn to listening to a sound, that's a sound. And then bring your attention back to the breath. If your mind has wandered, that is completely normal. Bring it back to the breath and become aware of your awareness and whatever you're noticing is appearing within your awareness, and simply label. Being present in open awareness is a true gift, because it's only by being present we get to fully experience what is happening now. We often, though, are met with a trade-off. Our minds want to move to be stimulated by psychological chatter, sounds, feelings, and inner stories about those sounds and feelings. More psychological chatter. And practicing being the observer can help you create some distance, so you're not wrapped up like a fish in a fishing net in your thoughts. You can begin to step back and become present in the only moment that truly matters, right now. If you haven't already opened your eyes, please do so. Come back to your surroundings, and I hope you have a wonderful and peaceful present day.